In this video, we'll show you how to make your own sparkling drinks at home just the way you like them. Place the soda maker on a sturdy surface. Press the tilt lever back and remove the carbonating bottle. Remove the seal from the carbonator and then unscrew the cap. Now, remove the soda maker's back cover. Insert the carbonator into the soda maker and screw it tightly into the holder. Do not use any tools. Now, replace the back cover. You are now ready to start making your favorite sparkling drinks at home. Fill the carbonating bottle with water up to the fill line. Best results are achieved when the water is cold. Press the tilt lever and screw the carbonating bottle into place. Now, press the carbonating button in short presses until you hear a loud buzz, releasing the button between presses. 3 loud buzzes will produce a standard fizz. Additional presses will produce a stronger fizz. That's it! You're ready to add the flavor. Press the tilt lever and unscrew the carbonating bottle, removing it from the soda maker. Place your favorite SodaStream cap flavor on the top of the bottle and press firmly. Or, pour a capful of your favorite soda mix flavor while holding the carbonating bottle at a slight angle to avoid an overflow. Then, shake gently with a rolling motion. Enjoy over 100 flavors of fresh, better-for-you sparkling drinks made at home by you.